Parallel structure is important in lists, but also in other situations. Sometimes the phrases, clauses, and other elements of a sentence are like a list. These sentences are more effective if they are in a parallel form. For example, Jennifer was not the first to identify the problem or to propose a solution, but she was the first to take action. You can see in this sentence how the ideas are connected, and the sentence is more effective because of the parallel structure. Here's another example of how parts of a sentence can be like a list. He played with the pen on his desk, put down his coffee cup, and he glanced expectantly at the phone as if willing it to ring. This sentence lists the things that he did. He played, put, and glanced. But the parts of the sentence need to be presented in the same way, so this sentence lacks parallel structure. We either need to add he to make he put, or remove it before glanced, so all items in the list will be the same. Elements of a sentence containing either or should also be parallel, as in either you should send the food back or you should stop complaining about it. The either and the or parts should be in the same form. Parallel structure can also apply to paragraphs and longer passages of writing that contain connected items like a list. For example, the sentences of this paragraph are like a list, so they should be in a similar form. Here is the process for graduation. The graduates will pick up their gowns the night before. They will meet at 11 a.m. on graduation day. They will process in at precisely noon. Parallel structure also applies to points that are enumerated in a paragraph or among paragraphs. The format should be consistent. For example, if you start your first point with firstly, then the next one would be secondly, and so on. But if you began by saying first, then those that follow would be second and third, and so on. But you'd never write firstly, second, third. Parallelism is all about making the structure of connected ideas fit together.